Hey tech fans, you may not be thinking about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra at the moment, but rest assured that Samsung is. Even with January's Galaxy S24 launch still fresh in our minds, work on the next premier Samsung flagship is already well underway. And guess what? Galaxy S25 Ultra rumors are already starting to emerge. Today we're diving into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. We'll explore the juicy leaks, rumored upgrades, and what we hope to see from Samsung's next big release. So let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the release date. It's far too early to say definitively when the new phone will arrive, but with Samsung's track record of gradually moving up the Galaxy S series release date, we might see the Galaxy S25 Ultra as early as mid-January 2025. With the S24 Ultra launching in January this year, Samsung could push for a similar timeline, but remember, these are just early speculations. Next up, the price. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike to $1,299. With the cost of premium phones on the rise, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might follow suit. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo suggests that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 expected to power the S25 Ultra could drive up costs. So, keep an eye out for more pricing rumors as we approach the end of 2024. Now let's talk design. Having just switched to titanium for the S24 Ultra's frame, Samsung likely won't make major changes for the S25. We're expecting the same sleek design with cameras stacked in vertical rows and a slightly larger 6.9-inch display. Rumors suggest an even brighter screen, potentially surpassing the S24 Ultra's 2,600 nits. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models. Early rumors hint at significant upgrades for the S25 Ultra, including a 50MP ultra-wide lens and potential variable capabilities for the telephoto lens. This could mean smoother zoom transitions, particularly for video recording. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. Early benchmarks show promising performance, potentially matching the iPhone's 18 Bionic chip. With a rumored 4.3 GHz prime core, the S25 Ultra could be a powerhouse. But Samsung and Qualcomm will need to manage the heat dissipation effectively. As for battery life, rumors indicate the same 5,000 mAh battery as the S24 Ultra. While we don't expect a huge boost in battery capacity, we do hope for faster charging speeds. The S25 Ultra will likely launch with Android 15, continuing Samsung's promise of 7 years of software support. Finally, let's talk AI. After focusing heavily on Galaxy AI features for the S24, Samsung is expected to continue this trend. We're excited to see what new generative AI capabilities could be integrated into the Bixby Assistant and other Samsung apps. So that's everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for all the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.